$1.5 million investment into the health of people in Pocatello is literally taking shape right now. So joining me is Sean Menchaca with Portneuf Health Trust and Healthy City USA. So Sean, thank you so much for being here. So let's just talk a little bit about the Pocatello Rec Center. And I know that Portneuf Health Trust has invested that $1.5 million to kind of remodel, revamp it. Just tell us about that project.
Yeah, a few years ago, it's probably been 3 or 4 years ago, a rep from the city asked us about doing different projects on the golf course and others, but the rec center was used by so many people and it needed some updates and some expansion. I think it's really going to take it into the next century by expanding it by about 3,500 square feet. It's going to let the gym be dedicated to being a gym, and then it has another room where yoga and senior yoga and rec classes can be taken. So really it just puts a much better spin on it and expands the center and really creates a capacity for more people to use it than have done it in the past. The last year that we had looked at the number of people that used it, it was just under 200,000 people. And we're talking about people like when I took my son there, so we're talking about little kids and moms and dads and seniors that use it. Really, it's a project for everybody. So we're so excited about that investment, the expansion of space, really making it look much more professional and nice. So we're really excited to be part of it.
And it's not just the expansion or, you know, updating maybe the roof or things. We got some pictures here of some of the work, some of the progress. But I mean, you've hit everything: the paint, the flooring, a new gym, better lighting, office space. We've got the whole works going on in there. Just kind of, you mentioned a little bit about adding for the use and more visits. What's kind of the expectation that you'll be able to serve with this expansion?
What was interesting, when we first started, our contractor thought, well, we're going to be able to get in there in the winter and there'll be nobody there. But he said from 7 in the morning till about 9 at night, there were people there all the time. I think the idea of creating that space that's really for everybody and more space and more uses, just the city of Pocatello, and I think also Chubbuck, so the entire community will have a rec center that they can use and really will be such a big benefit. It's such a cool project to be part of.
Awesome, and we're this close to being finished and having the ribbon cutting to open it up. Everybody can come see it. So tell us the ribbon cutting details, when, where, you know, anybody's welcome to come.
Everybody's welcome. It's September 5th from noon to 1:30. Join us at the rec center and we'll get that ribbon cut and have a good time.
Okay, and how excited are you to see it finished?
Well, I'm pretty pumped. It's been a few years working through it, so we're pretty excited about it. Thank you.
Awesome, Sean. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you at the ribbon cutting.